So when I'm adding the base to the bungee, I want to make sure the arrow is pointing away from me. Insert the bungee and keep it to the left hand side. Taking the insert, I want to make sure that the arrow is pointing towards me. Taking just a tad bit of bungee out of the edge. Bringing this around, looping it in, lining it up. Then I'm going to fold this over and angle it to go inside. Take my pliers, squeeze them down together. It's going to take a couple or 3 squeezes to get it flush. When using a TC4 to make a loop in your bungee, you want to take your base with the arrow facing away from you, insert your bungee, keeping it to the left-hand side, pick up your insert, and you want to put it down close to your base, loop around your bungee to the size that you'd like, taking it down to the last little knob inside the insert, folding your insert over, and then angling it in, and then closing it with your pliers. And this will take 2 or 3 times to get it completely inside. And then when you're finished, this is what your bottom will look like.